pulled out to the left there, stuff to just pull out. In the early days of me driving here, I near fucking heart failure about 10 times a day. But you get used to the generally will pull out, they'll not look, they'll just pull out, but keep the left and the fear to the right slightly, so basically keep her going, life saving, look over the shoulder and just fizzle with them. Can be scary if you're not used to riding bikes. Like this. Tell you one thing, the hazard perception test here with a fucking lethal boy, you need about 6 hands. There's fucking wee flags all over the screen. I'm like, imagine bringing a hazard perception test into here. For fuck's sake. Hilarious. Imagine even bringing a fucking test. That's the problem with this country, like the rules. If you brought the rules that we had into here, bring the whole country to its knees. Hope. Even green lights freak me out here because all the bastards go through red lights. But another good thing for this holiday, and I touch fucking wood, I don't have any, but because I have another fucking day or so to go. What happened would stop the police. See, this is the way it works here. You'll come along roads, I guess, someday, especially if it's busy, and you'll hear all this whistles ahead. The police pull over both sides, they start whistling and slowing the traffic down, and they pick and choose out of it. And if you're a foreigner, you're getting fucking choose. They pull you over to the side, see your license. I even had a fucking foreign. You went to the post office back home and you paid, I don't know what it was, fucking like £1, £5 or something, and it was like an international driving licence. Consequently, I had to end up giving them 200,000, which is a tenner. But still, I've been lucky now, I haven't run into that this year. Yet the wife said, "Oh, did you see the police stopping on the way out to Molesting?" And I was like, "Nope." I must have took a different route, or they packed up the time I got there, like. So, wouldn't be like me to scud myself, like. I'll probably be driving home later, fucking fine. I don't have the wife with me, which makes it worse. We get her to talk a lot of shit to them. Yes, we're down here in Nusa Dua again. The nicest part of the, well, I'm going to say I haven't been to everywhere. Hello. Thank you. Yeah. Here, I think I waffled this off, did I, in one of the videos? I don't know. Different, look at it. Look at it. Now, this is what Singapore looks like. What you're seeing now, the whole of fucking Singapore is just like this. The smooth as the roads, the lines are perfect, the fucking side beds, every fucking piece of it. This is like Singapore. It's probably been inspired by Singapore. Might even be Singapore companies invested in this area because it is a holidays resort. Just beautiful. This, people, if you're a married couple, if you've got kids even, and you want to come to Bali, and you want this, now you're going to pay for it, but oh fuck, I forget what way to go down here. You want lovely beaches, nice hotels, the most beautiful fucking walks. You just imagine chilling about here, like. This is it, Nusa Dua. I guarantee it. If I was coming back here and I didn't have, hold on a second. I want to talk shit with people in front of me. Where's this ticket? Ticket. Oh, thank you. Yes, I was going to say, if I was coming back here, if I was coming here and she didn't have family here, this, well, it's like everything. If you have money, it's all about money, people. You come here, the food's going to be slightly dear, the food's going to be good, the accommodation's going to be dear, the accommodation's going to be excellent, the beaches are going to be the best in the island. I would live here or stay here and venture into where I live, but I'm doing it the opposite. But I like the villa, don't get me wrong. But if you want that, what you know as a holiday, like a relaxing, nice, beautiful holiday, this is the one. Hello.